Hi, welcome back. In this video, we're going to discuss the Day 2 LeetCoding June challenge, which is deleting a node from a linked list. Now, most of the singly linked list problems will give you a reference to the head, and you kind of have to traverse through the linked list and get to the node that you want to perform the operation on. But in this question, we see that we have the reference to the node that we want to delete and not the reference to the head. So basically, you need to write a function to delete a node except the tail in a singly linked list given only access to that node. So we'll work with the just for the logic, we'll work with the sample input and output given here. So here you see that you've given this you're giving this input 4519, and then you have to delete the node 5. So you're given reference to that very node. So let's take a look at how we can do this. So it's a really simple 3-step process. I'm going to just take you through the algorithm, and finally we'll look at the Python code. Although the algorithm remains same for any coding language, so you can definitely code it in whatever language you like. So given this linked list here, so you're given reference to 5 and you have to delete 5. So the first thing to do, of course, is to check if this is not a tail node. So you don't want to be deleting a tail node. So the simplest way to check if this is not a tail node is just to make sure that a node.next exists. So that's what we're doing. That's the first step. So if node.next is not none, we'll make sure that you only run the program if the given node is not a tail node. So the next step is to copy the value of the next node into your current node. So for example, in this linked list, we want to copy the value of 1 into 5, right? So we just, so here I'm using augmented assignments. So the first part would be to say node.val is equal to node.next.val, where after running this you can see that we have the value 5 has been replaced by 1. So this is the second step. Okay, so if you now look at it, essentially we have already eliminated 5 from the linked list. So what we do now is we try to eliminate one of these nodes, right? So we just try to create a link between our given node and the node that comes after the next node, right? So we're trying to remove the link between this node here. So how we do that is just node.next is equal to node.next.next. So what that'll do is break this link and create a new link to the node that comes after the next node. So that's really simple. You just have like 2 lines of code here, and that's exactly the code that I submitted. So if you just type this out and if you click on submit, you'll see that it's successfully run. So that's how you can delete a node from a linked list given access only to that node. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.